Sesikhona-ke lapha ephayindani njengamanje Bonkumano wethu ngithi njengomculo wokuqala izwe lisavalele umsabalali namasonto ayisithupha iBulvali ngokusafela inyanga kodwa into eyenzakalayo wafumela obala watshela izwe watshela uhulumeni ukuthi ulandile manje-ke sibonile-ke izizwe zisukuma abafana laba abanye abaku-gospel nabakwakwanje begijima beyovana umgwaqo bagcina sebeboshwa obekuyinto enhle mfowethu ukuthi besukume kodwa yazi-ke nawe ukuthi masingakafiki thina
ungakafika ngizofona nje ukuthi sijani uyabona ukuthi baze kufika insizwa
ukuthi ubalo
zokhuluma namhlanje kunjalo
siyabona ngoba akaze ngizwe kuthiwa khona impiyaka yabanjwa othina zungu
abazalwane bayothandaza lapha emgwaqweni lapho bayothandaza bangakapheleli uzulu ngeke uhulumeni ayizwa lo babeyothandaza bona asile nje kulothandaza manje sekhona abayiphanisayo esikhuluma nani
ukuthi impilo zabo aboshwa uPhingcithupha aboshwe ngenxa yokuthi alwela inkululeko yethu nama-artist ngoba kubalulekile ukuthi mangabe isimo sibhekene naso sinje sesaphica manje asaphica-ke manje into ebalulekile njengamanje yenzakalayo sifuna uhulumeni angavula izwe alokhu angcobe kungabe nje izwe nemali abathiwa yokugula ikhona kwayona iyabiwe manje-ke okusho ukuthi thina besishayela bona ihlombe namaphoyisa sicela ukuthi asiphumelele njalo kancane ngoba sizubulala lutho sizudistroya lutho we are demonstrating our freedom right our constitutional right ukuthi sizolwela ukulamba kwethu eswini akasesithiwa sithole futhi phasela sithole lutho sinike zothu ubhobho abasingabazi ukuthi siwabenzani ekubeni siyazathi thina phela thina ibhizinisi leli we are on our own here. If you are an artist, you are independent, you are on yourself. You need to push your brand in order to gain, to earn a living. Therefore, enough is enough. Today is the last day we are speaking about this. The next move, the country must be opened.
umyalezo onganika umthetho umphathi arts and culture
unyambosi uyakwazi afanele kwenza awukho ngisho umlayezo afanele ngawenzi ngoba sinaye koWhatsApp sinayo yonke indawo uyakwazi afanele kwenza unyambosi kodwa ngeke ngihlale ngaye yedwa unyambosi engathi ngisiphukuphuku umhlakaniphile nami I'm a politician. There are a collective people, they are the collective people, so they must all sit together and take a right decision for us as an artist. Now umthetho into angasithatha iyodwa ukuthi asimele laphana, he must represent us, he must leave us in our absentia.
Kama komake sisela ephayithani omunye ke sokhuluma ayishayile ukuthi mina khuluma ngikhumbela ama-abantu ukuthi ngena uthini
sizolwa abalungelo ethu thina njengabaculi kungavalwa ngathi izwe alivulwa abaculi laba baboshiwe asazi ukuthi baboshelweni ngoba bakhulumela iqiniso into abayaziyo